Upon graduating with the degree in Informatics and Communication Engineering, I found myself at a crucial juncture, eager to cement my place in the tech industry. Simplilearn postgraduate program in DevOps and postgraduate program in cloud computing was a game changer. It was the bridge from academic theory to real world proficiency, positioning me at the forefront of job readiness. Within a short span, post completion of these courses, I secured my first true professional role. Hi, I'm Yahya El Kettani and I live in Hannover, Germany. I have a bachelor's degree in informatics and communication engineering with the specialty in a software engineer. After university, I was determined to align my career with rapidly evolving landscape of cloud technology and automation. I started looking for the right tutor. That's when I came across Simplilearn. The intensive curriculum and the practical experience gained through these programs enable me to transform into a cloud DevOps engineer. Simplilearn's blend of theoretical learning and hands-on projects prepare me to face real-world challenges head-on, give me a competitive edge in the job market. Within a short span post-completion, I secure my first professional role. The confidence and skills I gained from this program were pivotal during my job interviews, clearly setting me apart from other candidates. In my free time, I love enjoying time at the gym and swimming. Additionally, I'm an avid chess player. Today, as a cloud DevOps engineer, I apply the interdisciplinary skills acquired from both my university education and Simplilearn's programs. I'm not only fulfilling my ambition of being at the forefront of technology advancement, but I also contributing to shaping the future of cloud solutions. So here is my advice. Keep upscaling, keep learning.